So this is a 3-inch AuxBeam Pro Series spotlight, and I got some cheap Amazon ones the other day. And I know some people are saying, "Well, these are cheap Amazon too." Look, you're gonna see. I'm gonna put together a video series of a budget-friendly light build for adding auxiliary switches and lights and things like that to a newer vehicle, because some of these lights out here these days are insanely expensive, and there is more cost-friendly alternatives if you're not, you know, a professional off-road racer or somebody that needs the top of the line equipment. I mean, granted, I don't want anything cheap either, but with that being said, this pair was $139, I believe, if I have to go back and check, in that range. It looks like it is coming with a wiring harness. I see a relay there, battery connections, Molex style plugs, if that's what you guys call them, but quick connectors. And that little red thing is a rubber grommet. Looks like they're going to be watertight as well. So that's cool. And these do come with brackets, which is perfect. As you can hear in the background, we got commentary. The video channel's name is Rad Dad, for a reason. I'm a dad. Got this one here. And then got a 16-year-old as well. He's not here right now. He's not doing something, I'm sure. So, but yeah, look at these. These are really nice. Nice heat sinks on the back. Should just heat pretty well. The reason I did order these, to be honest with you, is the amber that were on the cheaper ones that I got didn't really match the fog lights that I have. You know, some options you can't go cheap. I do have Baja Design lights in my fog lights. You know, I do know those are on the higher end, a little bit more expensive, but the cheaper ditch lights I put on did not exactly match my truck. So the lens color was bugging the shit out of me, not matching perfect. So this, from some reading I did on forums, this lens does match the Baja Designs amber perfectly. So these are what I'm going to be swapping out onto my truck. But these are, like I said, the AuxBeam Pros 3-inch. These are the amber combos. So it's spot on top, diffused at the bottom, to kind of spread the light out. And then if I don't like it, it does come with a spare set of lenses. That 1, 2, 3, 4 Allens, and replace these, swap these out with some clear ones if I want. Always comes with a good sticker. Good for a cooler. Yeah, so got this hooked up. Let me check. There's power in the battery. Make sure I didn't grab a dead one. Relay's in. Switch is here. Got it in the off position. I'm hoping. Hope I don't get blinded. Let me set this down here. Hope that doesn't fall over. Just plug it in. Okay, good. It was in the off position. That's how it works. And it is awfully freaking bright. So we'll test these tomorrow on the vehicle. All right, turning into this little park where the street lights kick off. But before we do, I'm just giving you a view of how thick this fog is. So we're coming in here. That way I can set the camera down from the outside and show you guys. Coming into this park, still got some snow on the ground, as you can see. Very limited visibility here. Oh, the corner light just kicked on. All right, so here's just the headlights. I do have the Baja Designs CJC Squadron conversion in this Power Wagon. But this is just to give you an idea of what those are. Those are the Pro, the middle of the line. So that's that versus just the headlights fog lights on. Okay, and down here, up here is the mounted CJC mount, 99 bucks. Great $99 investment. But the AuxBeam 3-inch Pros, kicking those on. They got the combo beams on them. And as you can see, it's got the ditch right off the side of the road on each side, lit up perfectly. Might need to adjust them a little bit. But yeah, what better conditions to give you guys an idea of how these fog lights and AuxBeam 3-inch Pros compare. So you can see even in the lights the thickness of this fog. I'm gonna go set the camera down outside, give you guys an outside view. Check them out, compare to the high dollar lights below, and let me know what you guys think. Well, I've tried to take this video a couple times from standing real far back, and the fog is so thick that it just blurs the light out. But the AuxBeam 3-inch Pros are on top, obviously, and the Baja Designs Squadron lights are on the bottom. As you can see, these AuxBeam 3-inch Pros, Pro X or 3-inch Pros, definitely worth the money in my opinion. For a 3-inch ditch light, 138 bucks I think with my coupon that Amazon gave me. They definitely hold their own against the $400, $500 Baja Designs or Miramoto or any of the other top brands. AuxBeam definitely gets a thumbs up from me on these, and I think I'm going to continue with this budget light series with these AuxBeam lights and see just how affordably we can finish doing out this 23 Power Wagon with some front end lights. Get a light bar with some spots on the front, get some backup lights, maybe some cubes after we get a bed rack on for the side of the truck.